Are you tired of driving without any proof of what actually happened on the road? Whether it's a fender bender, a reckless driver, or a parking lot hit and run, a dual-channel dash cam can save you thousands. In this video, I'm breaking down the 15 best dual-channel dash cams right now, covering resolution, night vision, parking mode, GPS, and value, so you can pick the perfect one. Number 1. ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam. The ROVE R2 4K is built for drivers who want the full package without hunting down accessories separately. It shoots 4K UHD in the front and 1080 pixels in the rear, powered by a Sony Starvis 2 sensor for crisp, detailed footage day and night. The included 128GB microSD card and dual-band 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection make this one of the best out-of-the-box experiences available. On top of the strong hardware, you get built-in GPS, a clean 3-inch IPS display, loop recording, G-sensor emergency locking, and full parking mode support. The mobile app ties everything together nicely for easy footage review. If you want a premium dual-channel dash cam that's ready to go from day one, this is a top-tier pick. Number 2. REDTIGER F7NP Dual Dash Cam. The REDTIGER F7NP is an Amazon bestseller, for a reason. It records 4K upfront and 1080 pixels in the rear with a wide 170-degree viewing angle that captures nearly everything in your field of vision. The WDR night vision system does a solid job keeping footage usable even in low-light or high-contrast situations. You also get a 3.18-inch IPS screen, built-in Wi-Fi, GPS tracking, loop recording, and a 32GB card included, all at a very competitive price. The 24-hour parking mode with G-sensor collision lock adds real peace of mind when you're parked and away. A fantastic all-around value that earns its bestseller status. Next up is the E-YEEGER Dual Dash Cam, a solid entry-level option for first-time buyers watching their budget. It offers 2.5K resolution in the front and 1080 pixels in the rear, a step up from basic 1080 pixels front cameras, without the full 4K price tag. The compact design means it won't clutter your windshield. It still covers the essentials: loop recording, a G-sensor, parking monitor, and mobile app connectivity via Wi-Fi. Don't expect cutting-edge features here, but for a beginner who just wants reliable front and rear coverage, the E-YEEGER delivers. A smart, budget-friendly starting point. Number 4. REDTIGER F7N Touch Dual Dash Cam. The REDTIGER F7N Touch is REDTIGER's upgrade for drivers who hate fumbling with tiny buttons. The big differentiator here is the touchscreen display, which makes navigating menus and reviewing footage feel intuitive and modern. Front recording is 4K, rear is 1080 pixels, and it comes with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS. Night vision enhancement, parking monitoring, loop recording, and G-sensor event protection are all on board. The app control adds another convenient way to access your footage without pulling out the camera. If touchscreen operation matters to you, this one's a clear winner. Coming in at number 5, the FAIMEE F6 makes a strong case as one of the cheapest ways to get 4K front recording on a dual dash cam. The rear handles 1080 pixels, and Wi-Fi connectivity lets you transfer footage wirelessly to your phone through the companion app. Wide-angle coverage and emergency video lock round out the core feature set. It also includes loop recording, G-sensor protection, and a parking monitor. Everything you'd expect from a solid everyday dash cam. You won't get GPS or advanced sensors here, but the price makes those trade-offs easy to accept. A great cheap 4K option for budget-conscious drivers. Number 6. COOLCRAZY N8 Dual Dash Cam. The COOLCRAZY N8 packs serious value into a feature-heavy package. It's equipped with a Sony Starvis sensor, 4K front recording, and 1080 pixels rear. The Starvis sensor means night vision quality is genuinely impressive compared to cameras at this price range. Add 5 GHz Wi-Fi and built-in GPS, and this feels like a premium cam without the premium cost. Loop recording, parking surveillance, G-sensor event locking, and app control are all included. The 5 GHz connection makes wireless footage transfers noticeably faster than 2.4 GHz only alternatives. For anyone prioritizing night clarity without overspending, the COOLCRAZY N8 is a standout choice. Number 7. AZDOME M01 Dual Dash Cam. The AZDOME M01 takes a slightly different approach. It doubles as a backup camera system, not just a dash cam. The front records at 1,296 pixels, while the rear camera is waterproof and supports reverse camera functionality, which is genuinely useful for trucks, sport utility vehicles, and larger vehicles. Loop recording and G-sensor collision lock keep you protected on the go. Parking monitoring and a wide-angle view round out the feature list, and the installation is designed to be straightforward. It won't compete on raw resolution, but the reverse camera integration sets it apart from the crowd. Best for drivers who want front, rear, and backup camera coverage in one system. Number 8. 70MY, a 800 SE Dual Dash Cam. The 70MY, a 800 SE is built for drivers who want their dash cam to be part of a smart driving ecosystem. It records 4K front and 1080 pixels rear, comes with built-in GPS, and supports ADAS driver assistance features like lane departure warnings and forward collision alerts. The app connectivity is polished and well supported. 70MY has a strong software reputation. Night vision enhancement, parking surveillance, loop recording, and collision protection are all present. This is the cam for tech-forward drivers who want more than just video recording from their setup. A smart, well-rounded pick for connected car enthusiasts. Halfway through our list, the Pelsee P1 Duo Dual Dash Cam brings something genuinely useful: voice control. You can start recording, lock clips, or take snapshots without ever touching the camera. Great for keeping your eyes on the road. It records 4K up front and 1080 pixels in the rear, with Wi-Fi app connectivity and GPS support included. Parking monitoring, G-sensor event lock, and loop recording are all built in, and the smart UI makes daily use smooth and easy. Voice control might sound like a gimmick, but once you use it, going back feels annoying. Best for hands-free drivers who value convenience without sacrificing quality. Number 10. SUVCON Dual Dash Cam. If your budget is razor thin, the SUVCON Dual Dash Cam is worth a look. It offers dual 1080 pixels recording front and rear. Both cameras run at full HD, which is still perfectly capable of capturing license plates and incident details. A 32GB card is included, and setup is plug-and-play simple, making it ideal for first-time users. Loop recording, G-sensor protection, a parking monitor, and wide-angle view are all covered. Don't expect 4K or Wi-Fi here. This is pure, no-frills protection at the lowest possible price. The go-to ultra-budget pick when cost is the only priority. Number 11. BAEASU Dual Dash Cam. The BAEASU Dual Dash Cam is a budget option that punches a bit above its price tag. You get 4K front recording, 1080 pixels rear, and Wi-Fi with app support. A feature stack that competes with cams costing significantly more. Loop recording, G-sensor protection, parking monitoring, and emergency video lock are all included as well. It's not going to match the build quality or sensor performance of the ROVE or VIOFO, but for the price, the spec sheet is hard to argue with. A solid pick for buyers who want 4K features without the premium price. Great for budget feature seekers. Number 12. Navycrest Dual Dash Cam. The Navycrest Dual Dash Cam is squarely aimed at drivers who want 24-hour parking coverage without spending a lot. It records 4K front and 1080 pixels rear, with a gravity sensor triggering automatic clip locking when a collision or bump is detected. The loop recording and collision lock work together to keep relevant footage safe automatically. The feature set is lean, no GPS or Wi-Fi, but what it does reliably. For someone whose main concern is protecting their parked car overnight, Navycrest delivers exactly that. A solid budget option focused on parking security. Number 13. VIOFO. A 229 dual dash cam. The VIOFO A229 is the premium image quality champion on this list, and it earns that title. Unlike most dual cams that pair 4K front with 1080 pixels rear, the VIOFO A229 shoots 2K in both the front and the rear, both equipped with Sony Starvis 2 sensors and HDR for stunning clarity in any lighting condition. The ultra-precise GPS and 5GB Wi-Fi round out an impressive spec sheet. Voice control, a buffered parking mode, and hardwire kit support make this a full-featured professional-grade option. It doesn't include a memory card, so factor that into your budget. But the image quality difference is worth it for enthusiasts. The best dual-channel dashcam for raw footage quality. Number 14. BOTSLAB G980H Dual Dash Cam. The BOTSLAB G980H is purpose-built for drivers who do a lot of miles after dark. It records 4K up front and 1080 pixels in the rear, with a dedicated enhanced night vision system that keeps footage sharp and usable in low-light environments. GPS support and app control let you track routes and review clips with ease. Parking monitoring, loop recording, G-sensor protection, and a wide-angle rear view are all included in the package. The night vision performance is genuinely above average for its price tier, making it a smart choice for night shift workers, rideshare drivers, and late-night commuters. The night vision specialist of this list. Closing out our list is the Affver Dual Dash Cam, a budget-focused option that crams a surprising amount of specs into a low price. You're getting 4K front recording, 1080 pixels rear, Wi-Fi, app connectivity, parking mode, G-sensor, loop recording, and emergency video lock. A full-featured checklist at a fraction of what premium brands charge. Build quality and sensor performance won't rival the top-tier options here, but as a feature-packed starter cam, the Affver checks nearly every box. So there you have it, the 15 best dual-channel dashcams for every budget and use case. If I had to highlight two, the ROVE R2 4K is the best all-in-one package, and the VIOFO A229 wins on pure image quality. Check the affiliate links in the description for the best current prices. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Which one caught your eye?